Hi friends, today is Thursday's math lesson. So we're going to be starting on page 292. I need you to pay very close attention on this lesson because we're actually going to start multiplication. Bless you. Number 1 says, pencils come in boxes of 10. So how many boxes do I have? Oh, it hasn't told me that yet. There are 14 boxes. So what I need to do is I need to actually draw my 14 boxes because whenever I multiply, it's easy to draw a picture. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my goodness, I'm going to put my 14th one here, so it might be kind of tricky for you to see. So it says there are 14 boxes. Pencils come in boxes of 10, so that means that there are 10 pencils in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to do that for every box, so it might be a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is my 14 boxes with 10 pencils in each box. In order for you to solve this multiplication problem, now you have to go back and count all of your pencils inside the boxes. So I have to count all my dots inside my boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I can count by tens to make it faster than counting individual. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So you're going to draw your picture, and this is what your multiplication problem would look like. 10 times 14, not 4. 10 times 14 equals 140. 10 times 14 equals 140. So it wants you to explain your answer using words, pictures, or numbers. That's going to be your example. Number 2 is similar to that. Let me erase all my pencils and all my boxes so we can work on our next one. All right. 293. Same thing, draw your pictures and explain it with your pictures. 294. Draw the following numbers using place value discs on the place value charts and answer the questions. So I'll give you A. Number 1A is 132. 132. And it has these boxes underneath it, divided into 3 boxes, just like that. So we're going to just label it ones, tens, and hundreds. Our place value discs are our circles with the amounts in them. So I have 2 ones, 1, 1. I have 3 tens, 10, 10, 10, and I have 1 100. So there's my 100. after you complete your place value discs inside the chart, then you're going to answer D, E, and F, which is the greatest number, which is the least number, and put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So in order to find that out, it's easiest to look at your hundreds place first, because that tells you which one's the biggest. So I'll give you a little bit of help. 132. Let me erase this so we don't get all confused. Real quick, let me erase it. So here's our three numbers. 132, 312, and 213. So whenever we're doing place value, we want to find the biggest number. It's easiest to look at your biggest place value, and our biggest place value is going to be our hundreds place. So I'm going to underline all my hundreds place. So I'm looking for the biggest number in my hundreds. I have a 2, I have a 3, and I have a 1. So my greatest number is going to be my biggest number. So my biggest number or greatest number is 312. My least amount is 132. So if you have your greatest and your least, you can definitely find the middle number. I may or may not have given you all three of those answers. Okay. On the bottom part, it says number 2, circle greater than, less than, or greater than. Whisper the complete sentence. So 97 is less than or greater than 102. So A, number 2A, 97, 7, or 102. So I'm going to look at my biggest place value. So this side has hundreds and this side doesn't. So automatically that tells me that 102 is greater than 97, but the wording says 97 is less than. So 97 is smaller. So that means 97 is less than, whoops, since I'm looking backwards, I can't really pay attention to what I'm doing. 97 is less than 102. Parents, if your child is struggling with the words and they feel more comfortable with the symbol, that's okay. Because the wording to me seems a little bit tricky. All right, next page is 295, which has more, greater than, less than, or equal to. So I'll give you a little bit more. Actually, I changed my mind. Since there are greater than, less than, or equal than symbols, I'd like for you to circle the words on the last page. So 3A, 900 is greater than, less than, or equal to 899. Remember, Miss Clower said to look at your largest place value, which is our hundreds place. So I'm going to underline my hundreds. Which one's bigger, 8 or 9? 900 is greater than 899. So here's my greater than symbol. Noah and Charlie have a problem. Oh, this is number 4, by the way. Noah and Charlie have a problem. Noah thinks that 42 tens is less than 390. Charlie thinks 42 tens is greater than 390. Who is correct? And explain your thinking. So 42 tens, that's actually going to be 420. If you don't believe Miss Clower, draw out 42 tens and count up to see it. And then 390. So there's my two numbers. Underline your biggest place value, which is your hundreds place. Which one is greater than 420 or 390? We have a 4 here, so that tells me that 42 tens is greater than 390. So that means that Charlie is correct And tell me how you know that. And don't say, Miss Clower did it in her video. Tell me, I looked at the tens place, and I mean not the tens place, in the hundreds place, and I know that 400 is greater than 300. That's a better explanation than Miss Clower did it on her video. Okay, our next page is similar to, what page was it? It's similar to 294, except it takes it a step further and asks you to compare the two numbers. I think you can handle it because it's very similar to, like I said, 294. So these are our two videos for today. And I'm gonna miss you for the rest of summer, and I can't wait to see you next year.